So if we go back to our test, Control Tab to switch to the last tab, and look at what we were doing, was the pages class is going to contain all of our pages. It's that base, it's that parent class. And all it's going to do is return us each page so that we can use their methods. So one thing I just realized is I kind of just want to rename this to call it login rather than login page, because we're going to have a login page object, but we're going to go to pages.login.goto, pages.mymembership.isat or .goto. Great. So now the compiler is obviously complaining that pages doesn't contain a definition of login. So we're going to go ahead and need to implement that. And by the way, guys, if you lose track of where the errors were, you can always come up here to the error list and it will show you all of the errors. So look, if I double click, it takes me to the error. Okay? So I'm literally just going through error by error and fixing them so that the test works. We started with our test completely not working, and little by little we're implementing pieces of it so that it does work. So anyways, I'm going to hit Alt Enter, and then I'm going to create a static class called login. Actually, it's going to be a property called login. Perfect. The other thing that I noticed we want to do here is make the pages static so that we don't have to keep creating a new pages class. So you can just use it without having to do, you know, the difference between static and non-static is we would have to do var page. Just do like this, pages x. This is what we would have to do if this wasn't static, which we don't want to do. So that's why we're making that class static. So we can do just pages dot, okay? And then there's a getter for the login. And this getter got automatically created when I used the alt enter feature of the IDE. And now we actually don't need a set, but what we do need is a way to extract our pages from somewhere.